Hey guys, it's Lacey and today I'm at the beach and yeah. I can't really see very well, so that's why I have my hand over my face, but yeah. So it's 4th of July today and we thought that it would be cool to go to the beach and I don't know what beach we're actually at because I saw that Santa Monica was really packed, so we went to a different one, but it's not too far from Santa Monica. Actually, you know what? From my shoulder somewhere around here, I think you can actually see like the pier and like the little Ferris wheel type deal too. So yeah, so we're gonna go into the ocean together, guys. Well, sort of. I don't want to take this thing too far into the ocean. I really don't want to drop my phone. Oh my god. Look how pretty that water is, guys. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Ah, it's cold. Oh! Oh my god! Ah! It's so cold! Ah! It's so cold! It's so cold, guys! Oh! That's really cool. Oh wait, there's beautiful piece of seaweed. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now, the trick with getting the seaweed is that you don't want to go too far into the water to get it. Because you don't want to risk your own life for a piece of seaweed. Am I right, guys? Okay. This is fun. I need a beautiful piece of seaweed from the ocean. And it took it away from me. Oh wait, I think I see one. Shit today, oh my god. I hope I don't drop my phone into the water. Oh my god. Ah! I hope I don't have those in my pants right now.
Okay.
I think I'm done with my swim. I think my makeup held on like fairly well, surprisingly. And yeah, I fell in a few times. I caught some waves, and I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna get changed because I'm getting cold now. And yeah, but the view is really pretty. See, isn't that gorgeous? I love the beach. It's seriously like so beautiful. I love it so much. I wish I could live here. So pretty. Trying to check out my makeup and how like it stayed on, but like I can't really see because like the sun's really bright. The sunset's really pretty though. Hey guys, this is my dinner. This is actually a vegan Big Mac, which is pretty sweet ass, and I got it only with like it's like a classic burger, but it's like Big Mac style, so like it's not a disaster that's piled up onto another disaster, so it's a double disaster. You guys know what I mean? Blah blah blah. So, and these are vegan cheese fries, which are actually pretty kick-ass too, and I'm really, really happy to have these. Wait, these are really, really good. If I can just poke my... There you go. Open up your burger. And this is more of my burger. It has like cheese and pickles and lettuce, special sauce, onions, and like pickles. I don't know if it has tomatoes in it. If it doesn't have tomatoes in it, then it's my lucky day, because I'm not a big fan of tomatoes because they make your burger really watery. But yeah. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this my little adventure at the beach, and also going to Rita's and also Doomie's. Doomie's is really awesome. If you're in Hollywood or Los Angeles, California, I highly recommend this place. And I think they opened up a place in Canada too. Yeah, what city? Toronto, Canada. If you're in Toronto, Canada, you should go to Doomie's because they have really kick-ass food. And also, Yeah, I really enjoyed my 4th of July. I saw a few fireworks. I kept falling asleep in the car because I'd been up for a while, but I had a really fun time at the beach and everything. Today was really fun. I fell into the ocean several times and I got all sorts of sand in my swimsuit. And I got like sand in my hair, in my ears, everywhere. And like, yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I have, and I'll see you next time.